What is up, you guys? It is
Hey y'all.
Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, this one's gonna be fall colors. All right, so let's get ourselves a nice little tail. Give it a good twist. All right, about a 6.5-inch loop. All right, so we did long tail down, 2 loops, 1 tail up. Let's grab our 1.5-inch. Gonna match the tail length. Loops are just gonna be slightly smaller. All right, I'm gonna do one more loop of both of these. And then a single loop of this one. All right, squeeze it nice and tight. Give it a good pinch. All right, so the other thing that I do is kind of this test, right? On both sides. So if the wreath can bounce around like this, I don't want that to be the door side, right? You don't want the wind to be blowing and it be rocking that wreath on the customer's door, knocking all night long, right? So keep alternating them around until you get a side that's kind of quiet. All right, so I'm adding my bow. Not at the top. So this is an oval, so it looks a little bit like an egg shape. So the bow is not added at the top of the oval. We went down to the side just a little bit. All right, so once I've got my bow added here, I'm gonna add my sign next, and then we will get the greenery to get it all mixed in. So I'm just looking where this ribbon's gonna fall. And I'm gonna add attachments here. Gonna just kind of caulk the edges a little bit. All right, gonna put that where it's gonna sit. Now I know the next one's gonna go right here. Y'all, every grapevine is handmade, so everyone is slightly different. I had this piece left over from last fall. Now, I don't care that the sign is going to hang down lower than the wreath. I just want to make sure that it looks balanced with the whole design. All right, so just attaching both sides around the grapevine. So I'm going to trim these two down because I don't want them hiding the words. All right, so we're just going to start taking our leaves and we're going to just start working them into the grapevine. Now, what's important is don't just put this all the way through and have a whole bunch of sticks hanging out the back. Add your glue and then work this into your grapevine sideways so that the sticks never come out the back of it. We're going to add some off to the sides. Then we're going to slowly add some into our bow. Y'all, I am still going to take this other piece and add it in here. All right. So I still have a few little small pumpkins, and I want to get maybe just one stem of this worked in, just to get a few more little pumpkins up here. All right, so we've got pumpkins here, pumpkins out here, but we don't have any up towards the top. And I didn't want to put a heavy pumpkin at the top because then it would just look weird. All right. Gonna do one more little pumpkin down this way so that it looks like it all matches. So y'all, just a fun little fall design.